Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 15. Thus, always keeping the mind balanced, the yogi, with his mind controlled, attains the peace abiding in me, which culminates in total liberation, nirvana or moksha.
Chapter 6, Shloka 15. Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi niyatamanasah shantim nirvana paramam mattam stam adhigacchati.
Chapter 6, Shloka 15. Having made the mind tame and keeping it away from its own dissipations, we are instructed to keep the single-pointed mind in contemplation of the Divine Self and His Divine Nature. Thereafter, we should remain in the attitude of meditation, seeking nothing else but me as the supreme goal, was the final and most significant instruction of the Lord. After the physical pose, mental stability and intellectual application have been achieved, the meditator becomes steadfast both in the physical and subtler life, as a result of which a large amount of hidden vitality is released, which keeps the mind free from its agitations, and then he can reach the Supreme. A duration of constant and consistent inner silence should be maintained while engaged in meditation without neglecting duties. At the peak of meditation, one can come to a point of halt. This is experience of infinite peace that reside in him. Beyond this is the self, which is peace absolute. So the peace that resides in me as an object ultimately culminates in supreme liberation, which is the subject. The meditator awakens to the status of selfhood. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.